My name is Doug Bachelor. I am the president and speaker for Amazing Facts Ministries. Our ministry is built around, it's very simple, the Great Commission. We do everything we can using all possible means to communicate the gospel.
In the sanctuary, we installed a complete audio system and turnkey package. We had a digital audio console for the front of house location to mix in the room, and we had a solution for broadcast television separate from that.
So Amazing Facts has been around for over 55 years, and it started very small with just doing regular radio programs. And now, we're on national network, TV networks across the nation and even across the world. And so, it really is essential for us to have some of the best media technology to produce the best content.
Amazing Facts built an administration building for their offices and a beautiful 4K television studio.
We just get feedback of people who share wonderful, wonderful testimonies. It's the transformational power of the Word, and that's our favorite thing.
Amazing Facts requested a 4K solution because they wanted the highest quality they can get. We also had the video control room where the producer, the technical producer, do the general operations for the studio.
We want to be careful that we don't get so involved in the mechanics of doing media ministry that we forget the big picture. It's all about changing lives.